My name is Ian Guzete and I've come from all the way from Leeds. I found out about the crash course through the Facebook networking event that he was doing. I attended one before in Birmingham, so I found out he was doing one more in Manchester, so that's how I found out about it. Now that it's finished, I'm feeling motivated to go and look for money to join, the extra training, because I feel like even though I've got the foundation, there are a few things I still want to know so that I can be knowledgeable and be confident in my investment. So that's the move, but I'm over the moon. Woohoo! So my favorite moment was, it was mainly like just the atmosphere, seeing other people who are hungry, want to improve their life, knowing that they're just normal as me. So that's motivating. And as you can tell, I'm bubbling now. So yeah, that's cool. My property goals is to get at least one. Obviously, the good option would be, is it no lease? A lease option agreement, no money deal. And the other one is also to try to find money for a deposit, maybe to get even a single let or HMO. So that's my main goal. I'll try to do that by the end of the year. And I feel like the course has helped me creating a network, because there are other people wanting to do that. So I've taken some details. So I'll be in touch seeing how they can help me. Samuel is a great guy. He actually happened to be generous enough to write a foreword to my first book. So he's someone who inspires me, not mainly just in property, because me, I'm more interested in also like speaking and talking. So seeing him do it and how he interacts with people, that's very awesome. And how transparent and generous he is, what you see is what you get. So that's really dope in that family environment. And to see that you guys who work with him are happy. So he's an awesome guy. I would say, I hope someone push you over so you just fall in and find yourself up here. It's a great environment, especially not just about property, but just mentally as well. Because sometimes we limit ourselves to what we can achieve. But when you come here, you hear people talking about being easily millionaire by accidents and all that stuff. And then when you come there, you see all different kinds of people with all different backgrounds. So you get to know that there's no like stigmatism. It's not really for one specific group, but it's for people from all over. I mean, we had guys from, is it Italy and Scotland? I would say show up and come here. You don't even have to know anything about property. Just come and just like me, now I know what HMO stands for. So that's a step. It's motivating and inspirational, and I would say it's cool. I'm grateful for the opportunity to be able to attend, as we didn't pay any money to be here, of course, except our food and hotel accommodation. But to attend the event, we didn't pay anything, so which is a good way of them so I'm grateful for that sometimes you have to pay for something to see if you like it or not, but this was free. So I'm grateful for that, and I would say keep up the good work, and it's a good team to be around because you're all smiling and it's all like that. So yeah, I'm happy.